Hi, this is Dennis Orcutt with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Today we're going to look at a 250 cruiser by Harris. This is a 25-foot boat. Comes equipped with a Mercury 4-stroke 150 horse outboard engine with a stainless steel prop. Boarding ladder for the back. Let's take a look inside. As you can see, there is plenty of room in this boat. Storage under every seat. Dual captain's chairs. At the helm, we've got a 12-volt outlet. We've also got fusion stereo, trim, RPM, miles per hour, depth gauge, and fuel gauge. Here's an outlet for 2 USBs to charge your iPhones. Plenty of cup holders all around on this boat. Boat comes equipped with a ski locker, floating cup holders. There's 2 more under the port and starboard. All seats open up for storage. This boat has a rating for 15 people. If this is a boat you would like to take a closer look at, give us a call here at Lake Wylie Marina, 803-831-2101. Thanks a lot for watching.